Okay, students, today's experiment that we are going to perform is footprinting using ping command. So for that, first you just need to open your command prompt and type the following command: ping the name of any particular website like certifiedhacker.com or anything. Sorry, and hit enter. So this is the output that we have received. We have received the IP address for this particular site www.certifiedhacker.com, and along with it we have received some ping statistics such as packets sent, received, lost, and approximate round trip time. Now let us find out the maximum frame size on the network. So just type another command. Uh, yeah, minus f minus l 1500. Okay, so we can see that we have received some comments like packet needs to be fragmented, but DF said like this. So it means that the frame is too large to be on the network and needs to be fragmented. So since we have used minus F switch with the ping command, the packet was not sent and the ping command returned this error. So now let's ping with reducing frame size to 1300. So instead of 1500, let's try to use 1300. Okay, so we can see that the maximum packet size, this time we have received a reply, so we can see that the maximum packet size is less than 1500 bytes and more than 1300 bytes. So what we can do is next we can try with different values until we find the maximum frame size. For instance, let's try some with some other fragmented size like 1453. Okay, then again let's try with 1452. Okay, so we can then try this with different. Uh, okay, let's try with 1456. Suppose. Okay, so this way we can try with different sizes, and we can find out the maximum frame size that will differ depending upon the network. So it will for the different from network to network. It will depend. Okay, then next, every frame on the network has a TTL defined. So if TTL reaches zero, the router discards the packet. So this mechanism it prevents the loss of packet. So let us try another command. Okay, so the reply is the TTL expired in transit means the router discarded the frame because its TTL has expired. So we can use emulate tracer command to find the route from our computer to this particular site www.certifiedhacker.com. So so in the command prompt you just type okay. So we can use minus n 1 in order to produce only one packet transmission. The response should be similar to this type below this output. So again type now let's type for minus yi2. Okay. Okay. Okay, so we can see that there some losses occurred here. Mm. So let's try it with some other values. So this is how you're gonna footprinting. These are some of the commands that you'll use for footprinting using the ping command.